Hey everyone, it's Deborah and it's Daisy Deb. Welcome to Daisy Deb Crafts. Today we're going to make a cute little tea favor that I created the file on Design Space. So you have to use the Cricut in order to make this. I actually used a Cricut Joy Extra and it worked out perfectly. So I have a few things. I already have the tea favor pouch cut out, and I have some toppers that I went ahead and cut out, and then these are the bags that I'm using right here, and I will put a link to these. These are off of Amazon. Okay, so let's get to work. The first thing we're going to do is we want to leave this pouch open, so I'll put that other one aside. We're going to leave the pouch open, so we're only gluing, I'll show you, we're only gluing this edge go on down all the way down here. And you want to get to close to the edge as possible. Not like me, what I just did. Oh well. Do as I say, not as I do. Anyway. And bear with me, I'm having a horrible allergy attack. I got a package in the mail yesterday that was scented. Oh my goodness. It tore me up. Let's just say that. And then I have this little piece that shows the coffee or tea, and I am just going to plop that right there in the middle, and your pouch should still be open, so we'll put a tight fit, so I'm going to have to adjust that file for it to fit. Actually, there we go. So very tight fit, but it's super cute. Okay, so we're just going to put that in the bag. Let me make sure I put my lid back on my glue. My glue froze. I had it up against my window. I have a window right up in front of me, and anyway, it froze. It's been cold here. Okay, so that's kind of stuck there, and so then all I'm going to do is seal this. Always seal it at the bottom so people can open it and still keep the little bag in case they want to reuse this. I am going to put this paper on as the topper. And I can't find my tiny attacher. It's somewhere. So we'll just use this for right now. And guys, you can go ahead and decorate this. I'm going to cover up. I could cover up that strip with another piece of paper. And let me see if I have something that will work. Yeah, this will work. And then I can cover up those staples. Or you can use a piece of lace or something like that across it. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this. And it's like 4 1/8 is, and then I'm going to cut it down a little bit, maybe 10 inch. And it'll just add a little bit of interest. This would be a great way to use up some of your scraps. Okay. So all I'm going to do is glue that across there to cover up those staples, and then you could pop, you know, some type of decoration on it. I got a piece of hair in there. But anyway, you want to make sure that you don't do that. Let me take that out and fix that. So anyway, this is a great way to use up scraps, and just cover that. Okay. And all you have to do is add some decoration piece here, and then you can sell these at craft fairs all day long, or give them as neighbor gifts, random act of kindness when you're out and about. Just, you know, something super cute. You know something I like to do? I like to leave things like this in the grocery store, and I put a little tag on it. I hope this makes your day, you know, beautiful. I hope you have an amazing day. You know, something like that. Or just leave them in their grocery cart, and just a way to kind of bring some brightness to someone's day. Okay, so these are, you know, great little things to do that with. Or, you know, like I said, craft fair, stocking stuffers, etc. Oh, and they would be great if you have a holiday tea or a Christmas tea. I have friends that like to do Christmas teas every year, and they give out favors like this, and they get me to make them. So just, you know, this is one of them. This is a sample one that I'm making this year. Anyway, let me know what you think. If you want a complete tutorial with the Cricut, I'll be glad to do that. I'll do it with the Joy Extra. I won't bring my maker on the desk, but yeah, we'll make it. And I'll even teach you how to make like a pouch where you can do things like this as well. Okay, you guys have a great day. Bye.